Hi guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel's process video number 168 entitled Shake Up the Routine. And this is my second layout featuring the January Flavors of the Month kit from the Scrapbook Kit Club. I am sharing you the items that I've chosen to use for this particular page. Some of the papers were cut out already because I had lost the footage of me showing you the products before I cut into it. Usually I show the products first before I start cutting and trying to putting together my layout, but somehow I lost it. Don't know why. Anyways, so this layout is a single page and the products were really fun, but they're very bold. It has very bold designs on it. So I was trying to figure out how to blend them all together without, making it just too much designs and too much bold colors. So I decided that I would use the floral paper, which is really pretty. I'm going to use that as my top and bottom of my double page, and then I'm going to use the paper with the cameras as my kind of middle paper to go with my photos. And then they had this multicolored striped paper. I cut that in about 1/2 inch strips, and then I'm going to add that to my background white cardstock. And then that empty space there, that's where my photo is going to be. These are just two 4x6 photos of me and my family. We took a trip to Idaho to visit my sister, and also for my graduation last summer, and my parents also came. So after the graduation we kind of did some touristy things and visited a few things in Idaho where my sister lives. And so I just took some pictures of the whole group, and that's what I am going to be using here. So my page is, like I said, it's a 12 by 12, but I like my pages to have a little bit of a white cardstock frame on the edges of it. I just feel like it has a cleaner look. So all of my elements that I'm adding to my page are just about maybe a 1/4 inch smaller than, or 1/4 inch smaller than the width of my 12 by 12. And then to kind of add a little bit of something to this page without adding in any more design, I decided to pop up some of the camera images that was on that paper. So what I did was I just cut out the some of the cameras, and then adhered some fun foam to it, and then adhered it to the same exact location of where the image was on that paper. So it's a very subtle design, but I love how it turned out because there is some texture and dimension to the page without introducing any more new images to the already kind of bold papers that we have. And then because there was really not anything super special about, I mean, of course the people in this photo is special to me, but I didn't have a lot of stories to say, so I just kind of found a family quote in on Google, and then printed that out, and then also typed up the location, and then I'm also going to be adding the date later on to this page. And then the mini kit came with these really cute enamel, or no, fun, not, is it foam? I don't know. There's these puffy, there you go. It's the puffy hearts came with the mini kit, and I thought that was super cute, and I wanted to add 3 of those, so I add that on the bottom of the photos. And then, okay, so in the beginning of this layout, I had a sticker that came with a mini kit that said in Everyday Adventures, and that was supposed to be my title. However, when I was moving things around and then I came back to make this layout, I could not find those sticker sheet. I looked everywhere, and I think that's what happens when you have a very messy table to begin with. I could not find it, and I was folding laundry in between doing this page. And so when I had finished doing the laundry and I gave my kids their baskets to put away their clothes, my daughter came back to me and says, and showed me the sticker. This was days after I was looking for I was making this page. And so she showed me the sticker. So I guess it ended up dropping in her um, laundry basket. So that's what happened to that initial title. But shake up the routine sounds good for this particular layout too. So I'm going to go with that. And thank you for watching. And I will catch you guys another day. Bye.